Uphuthu texture number 1. Sawubona. Chef Makamo lona. This was mostly, or rather this is mostly suitable for sour milk, alright? This also is in fact the driest version of uphuthu. This texture is very crumbly, number 1, and it is also light. Almost sandy but fluffy. Grains also separate. This is the first texture. Now, texture number 2, uphuthu for vegetables. Your cabbage, pumpkin, etc., you name it. This texture is a medium crumb texture, alright? It is slightly moist. It still separates but softer. Okay. Texture number 3, uphuthu for stews and curries, alright? It was also cooked differently. Okay. Chef, how so? This was coarser crumb, heavier, less dry than Amasi version. This was also almost halfway to pap version, but still breaks. Texture number 4, uphuthu for mornings or uphuthu for evenings. Hey, Kosiam, Chef Makamo, what are you saying? Morning, drier, lighter, easy to digest, energy without heaviness. For evening, it was slightly heavy, more filling, helps satiety overnight. Chef Makamo lona. Siyabonga.